If you want to search by image on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then we can use circle to search on this phone. In order to activate circle to search, we can press and hold the home button if you use buttons for navigation, and if you use gestures instead, then you need to press and hold your finger on the navigation handlebar that you have at the bottom of the screen. If you hold it for like a second or so, you should be able to see this screen, and now you can select the area that you are looking for. So you can select the image. There we go. And then we get the results in Google. Of course, we also can go to visual matches as well. And that's pretty much it. Of course, you can also simply tap on a subject instead of selecting the whole area. This works as well. And that's all. In case circle to search is not working for you, it might be simply disabled. So to turn it on, we can go to settings, and then choose display, and then over here go to navigation bar, and then here we have circle to search, which can be easily enabled and disabled. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.